Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives describe a noun or a pronoun. They tell us more about persons, places, animals, or things. For example, happy dog. Happy is an adjective as it describes the dog. Another example, tired boy. Tired is adjective. Another example, seven girls. Seven is the adjective. So adjective answers these questions related to nouns in a sentence. What are those questions? What kind? Which one? Or how many? Now let us discuss these in detail. So first, adjective answers what kind. For example, this is a cupcake. Now, what kind of cupcake? Small, yummy, tasty, sweet, delicious, or vanilla. These are the words that tell us about this cupcake. So these are adjectives. Now look at this runner. He is happy, excited, delighted, proud, swift, fast, quick. So all these words are describing him. All these words tell us how is he. So these are adjectives. Okay. Now next is which one. Adjectives tell us which one. For example, this is a cup. These are backpacks. So this and these are adjectives. Adjectives also tell us how many or how much. For example, one boy. So how many? One. Several girls, many girls, or four girls. Here adjective tells us how many girls are there. So several, many, four, all these are adjectives. So these were the examples. Now, how will you find the adjective in a sentence? So, the trick is first find the noun. For example, in this sentence, we saw the grey elephant at the zoo. Ask yourself, which is the noun? Elephant, zoo, right. Now ask, which word describes these nouns? Zoo is not described, but color of the elephant is given, right? So grey word describes the noun elephant. So grey is an adjective. Let us look at one more example. Now look at this example. The rabbit followed the slow turtle. Now apply the trick and first find the noun. Which is the noun? Rabbit, turtle. So which word describes rabbit? There is no such word. And turtle? Yes, slow. Slow describes turtle. So it is an adjective. Now you can easily find adjectives in a sentence, right? Now let us do this book exercise from your Collins Grammar book, page number 41, question number C. Circle all the adjectives in the sentences. Okay? Question number 1. Please give me some rice in a small bowl. Now you know the method. First find nouns, rice and bowl. Now what describes rice? Some. Correct. And bowl? Small. Correct. So circle some and small. These are adjectives. Question number 2. The black cat ate some bread and many biscuits. Find the adjectives. Word describing cat, bread and biscuits. Yes, correct. Black. It tells us the color of cat. Some tells us how much bread. And many tells us how many biscuits. Alright, third part. Please give me some money. Money is noun and some tells us how much. So circle some as it is adjective. Question number 4. The young man drinks a lot of milk every day. Find out nouns and the word describing those nouns. Yes. First is man. Young tells us what kind of man. And a lot of is an adjective because it tells us how much milk he drinks. So circle both of these words. Yes. Now, fifth part. My slippers are wet. Which word describes the slippers? Yes, wet. So you will circle wet. Sixth, this field is full of lilies. The lilies are beautiful. So you have to circle the word that describes lilies. Seventh, Mukul is the third boy in the row. I told you numbers are also adjectives. Eighth, mobile phones are useful. So which word describes mobile phones? Alright, so you can do these parts yourself. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Circle the words in your book itself. Okay? Now this chapter is over. Let us revise. Adjectives tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. Okay? Second, they describe the quality or nature of persons or things. They tell us how person, animal, place, or thing is. They tell us how much or how many of something there is. Numbers are also adjectives. Okay, children, so this was in this chapter. Now, there is an interesting task for you, the adjective detective. You have to find 7 adjectives in the grid and make sentences with them. All right? This you will do in your book itself. So that is all for today. I'm sure now you can correctly identify the adjectives and you would have understood it very well. Thank you, children. Have a great day.